Hi there guys, this is LRC4 Leather Protection Cream. It's probably one of the best selling protection creams in the world. It is known throughout the world for its fantastic protection properties and its amazing leather aroma and ease of application. It's very, very simple. Make sure your leather item is completely cleaned and dry before use. It works on any type of leather item other than suede and nubuck. It will work on all forms of leather, pigmented, two-tone, rub-off, aniline leather. It'll even work on vinyls and fake materials like faux leathers, but it won't work obviously on like an Alcantara, because Alcantara is fabric. A lot of people believe it is a form of leather. It is not. So this is LRC4 Protection Cream. It is a fantastic product. It has a special built-in molecule system that when the item gets wet, they pring open and protects the leather from stains penetrating the leather surface. Its intelligent molecule system is absolutely phenomenal to protect leather. It gives it a beautiful feel. It instills that genuine leather aroma back into your leather item again. It can be used on anything from shoes to footwear, from boats to planes, trains, cars, anything. Handbags to jackets, you can use it anywhere and on anything as long as it's a pigmented leather item or a semi-aniline or an aniline leather item. Simply apply. It comes with a flip lid. It starts off at 100 ml and goes right up to 5 litres. Apply like that via a sponge and massage into your leather item. If you have just restored a leather item, don't plonk it on like that, but massage this in to the item like that and very, very gently go over the surface. If you're dealing with a perforated leather, do exactly that again, or else you're just going to fill up all the perforated holes on your perforated leather. Perforated leather, what we mean by that is, it's leather that has tiny little holes in, just so that you are aware. But that is the LRC4 Protection Cream. You leave it on and it dries to a beautiful, matte, natural finish that looks brand new, like any brand new leather item, because shiny leather is dirty leather, remember. You can, if you wanted to, buff it up if you wanted a sheen, either with a terry towel or with a bamboo fiber towel. But LRC4 is an amazing product and it will make your leather feel absolutely beautiful. LRC4 Leather Protection Cream. Get it from the website, leatherrepaircompany.com.